If you're an Amazon seller wanting to launch new products on Amazon with a bang, then you gotta be using the Vine program. Plus, you're in luck because Amazon just lowered the fee tiers for using this program. In this video, I'll be sharing info on that, plus a couple other ways to get reviews on your brand new listed Amazon products. So be sure to stay tuned. By the way, I'm Ian from Evolve Media Agency. We specialize in taking Amazon listings to the next level through conversion boosting infographic photos, videos, and optimized copy. Get a free listing audit and free access to our Amazon listing checklist by filling out our contact form at emaamz.com. So if you don't know what the Vine program is, basically Amazon Vine allows brands to send free products to top reviewers who then write an unbiased review. It's been an invitation-only program in the past, but Amazon just announced new lower pricing tiers to make Vine accessible to more sellers and products. Starting October 19th, there will be 3 pricing levels. Tier 1 is completely free. You can enroll up to 2 units per product and get 2 Vine reviews at no cost. This is great for new brands wanting that initial social proof. Tier 2 is just $75, and you can enroll up to 10 units per product for up to 10 Vine reviews. This is perfect for testing out a wider launch. Now, Tier 3, the existing pricing is $200 for up to 30 units and 30 reviews. Still a solid option for established products. Reviews make such a difference on Amazon, especially when launching something new, so you gotta be getting them. One study found products with over 30 reviews sell 85% better than those with 0. But Vine isn't the only way to get helpful feedback and build credibility quickly. Focus groups are a great option that any seller can leverage. Simply gather 10 to 15 people either virtually or in person. Offer them a discount code in exchange for their honest feedback about your product, brand, listings, and more. Not only will this provide valuable insights to optimize, but you can also ask participants to leave a review if they've enjoyed it. Influencer marketing, specifically micro-influencer marketing, is another avenue for getting authentic reviews at scale. Micro and mid-tier influencers often create content featuring new products their followers would like. One strategy is to offer your product as a giveaway incentive in exchange for an honest review from entrants. The influencer then announces the winner, that person tries your product and then leaves a review on Amazon. And everyone wins. Compared to huge celebrities, micro-influencers with 5,000 to 100,000 engaged followers often have better conversion rates for a fraction of the cost. Definitely worth experimenting with. The key is mixing up your review sources: Vine, focus groups, influencers, giveaways, and loyal customers. This helps reviews seem natural and builds authority in the eyes of potential buyers. Remember, not everyone leaves feedback on their own. Sometimes you need to get creative with channels like Vine, influencers, and focus groups to get the ball rolling. Once you have that ball rolling, getting some kind of little insert card to put in your product to ask for reviews will help keep the reviews trickling in over the long term. So if you're an Amazon seller, check out these new Vine tiers and test out enriching your review pipelines. It can be a game changer for conversions and sales, especially for new product launches. Again, if you want a free listing audit or to get access to our free Amazon listing checklist, head over to emaamz.com. We can hop on a Zoom call and I can answer any questions that you may have about the Vine program or about launching new products on Amazon or anything at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.